Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into the profound philosophy of Aristotle, Plato, Simone de Beauvoir and their thoughts on love. As we explore this topic, we'll discover how love can transform our lives, relationships, and society as a whole. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. Love is the highest virtue, the guiding principle that governs our actions and shapes our character. Aristotle, the ancient Greek philosopher, indeed emphasized the significance of love as a guiding principle in our lives. While he discussed love in various contexts, including friendship and romantic relationships, his broader concept of love was deeply intertwined with ethics and the pursuit of a virtuous life. According to Aristotle, love, or what he referred to as philia, was one of the fundamental virtues necessary for human flourishing. Philia can be understood as a deep, genuine affection and care for others, encompassing friendship, goodwill, and a sense of shared values. Aristotle believed that love is essential for fostering virtuous behavior and forming a harmonious society. For Aristotle, love served as a driving force that motivates us to act in ways that promote the well-being of others and ourselves. He argued that true love involves a desire for the good of the other person and a willingness to contribute to their happiness. Love, in this sense, leads us to act with kindness, compassion, and generosity, ultimately shaping our character and influencing our interactions with others. By practicing love as a virtue, Aristotle believed that individuals can cultivate positive qualities within themselves and build strong, meaningful relationships with others. Love, for him, was not merely a fleeting emotion but a profound commitment to the well-being and flourishing of both oneself and others. According to Aristotle, love is not just an emotion but a virtue that plays a central role in shaping our character and guiding our actions. By embracing love as the highest virtue, we can aspire to live a life of compassion, kindness, and genuine concern for others, thereby contributing to a more harmonious and virtuous society. Number 2. Love is the ultimate truth that transcends all boundaries and illuminates the path of human existence. Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, expressed the profound idea that love is the ultimate truth that surpasses all limitations and guides the course of human life. In Plato's philosophical works, particularly in his dialogue, Symposium, he explored the nature and significance of love, also known as eros. According to Plato, love is not merely an emotion or a desire for another person, but rather a force that leads individuals to seek truth, beauty, and goodness. Love is seen as a divine energy that connects human beings to higher ideals and forms. It is through love that individuals can transcend their physical and material existence, reaching for a deeper understanding of reality and attaining spiritual enlightenment. For Plato, love is a journey of ascent, a process of moving from the love of particular individuals to a love of universal beauty and truth. As one progresses on this path, they come to realize that love is not limited to personal relationships but encompasses a broader scope, including love for wisdom, virtue, and the greater good of humanity. In Plato's view, love has the power to bridge gaps and dissolve boundaries between people. It can unify individuals, communities, and even societies, fostering a sense of connection and empathy. Love's transformative nature enables individuals to transcend their own self-interests and develop a genuine concern for the well-being of others. Plato's understanding of love as an ultimate truth goes beyond romantic notions or superficial attachments. It represents a profound philosophical concept that speaks to the core of human existence, offering a path toward enlightenment and a deeper understanding of reality. Number 3. To love is to recognize oneself in the other. Simone de Beauvoir, a prominent French existentialist philosopher and feminist theorist, made significant contributions to the fields of ethics, existentialism, and feminism. The quote you mentioned, "To love is to recognize oneself in the other," encapsulates one of the core ideas she explored in her works. When de Beauvoir speaks of love, she goes beyond the conventional notion of romantic love and delves into the broader concept of love as a fundamental human experience. She suggests that true love involves a profound recognition and understanding of the other person. It is not merely an emotional attachment or attraction but a deep empathetic connection that allows individuals to see themselves mirrored in the experiences, struggles, and humanity of the person they love. According to de Beauvoir, this recognition is crucial because it acknowledges the shared essence of human existence. By seeing oneself in the other, we realize that we are all part of a common human condition. Love, in this sense, becomes a bridge that brings individuals closer together, transcending superficial differences and fostering a sense of unity. This idea also aligns with de Beauvoir's existentialist philosophy, which emphasizes the individual's responsibility for creating meaning and freedom in their lives. By recognizing oneself in the other, individuals acknowledge their interconnectedness and the impact they have on one another. Love, then, becomes an ethical and existential act, as it requires individuals to navigate their own freedom while considering the freedom and well-being of the other. Beauvoir's quote invites us to view love as a transformative force that connects us on a deeper level. It encourages us to move beyond our own egos, prejudices, and self-interests, and to truly understand and empathize with others. By doing so, we can cultivate a more compassionate and inclusive approach to relationships and foster a sense of unity and solidarity in our human interactions. Thank you all for joining us on this journey through Aristotle's wisdom on love. We hope this video inspires you to embrace love in all its forms and live a life filled with compassion, empathy, and purpose. Remember, love truly is the highest virtue. Thank you all for joining us on this journey through Aristotle's, Plato's, and Simone de Beauvoir wisdom on love. We hope this video inspires you to embrace love in all its forms and live a life filled with compassion, empathy, and purpose. Remember, love truly is the highest virtue.